One more time. The vibe is on tonight, ladies and gentlemen. AfroPiano is looking at the right place. Oh shit, a round of applause. Oh yeah!
Yo, wait. Hello? South African. Is the microphone alright? At the back, can you hear me? Okay, at the back there, can you hear me? Listen to me. I go by the name Jah Hanief all the way from Manchester, England. And I mean, listen, what up? We carry the Brooklyn flag. Come round South Africa. You know what? We represent AfroPiano in England. All my African people scream. You know you're not yet. Are you ready? We're ready. Sit it up, puppet. Sit it up. I get there by next week. Can I go? If you want me to fuck up the place, then fuck it. If you want me to mash up the dance, then mash it. Say it ready? There we go. There we go.
I know bad bitches got my fucking problem. Yeah, fucking got a fucking problem. I know bad bitches got my fucking problem. Yeah, fucking got a fucking problem. I know bad bitches got my fucking problem. Yeah, fucking got a fucking problem. If I get somebody grand, that's a fucking crime. Don't bring the girls to the crib and we can sell. Hold up, bitches in the car. Taking hella long, bitch. Give it to me now. Say money, make a nigga act nigga red.
All right. I'm sorry. I've just lost a friend. Rest in peace, Garry Mapanzure. Well, I know South Africa lost icons in one time. Right now I'm going to play one of the icons and I dedicate this one to all my African people and all the people of the world. Salika! I love you.
Yeah.
Baby, your pussy good from morning. It have to stay like that forever. Cock it up, baby, baby. What are you? Cock it up like a dumper truck. Cock it up to your boss and fuck. Set good like the ice in a freezer. Get your pussy tight in a squeeze like a freezer. Your pussy run the joy.
It's so my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. Don't take me so much, so much, so much things I didn't say. I'm from Portmore, that's in Jamaica. We can do it and that is better.
Listen carefully, ladies. You come to a dance like you're going to a dance, right? You're dressed up in your dance clothes. But you're just standing there like you're in church. Wait. Listen, I am the pastor and you are the congregation. If I see you in church, I'll say, pray sister, but where you're dressed. Oh, you are dressed in a dress, and you are in a club, and you are wearing. Oh, God. Everybody, give a round of applause for my God. Thank you so much, people. I love you. So what am I gonna do now? Can I take you back to 1992? Listen! Who know right there? Here it is! Her beauty's like a bunch of. Everybody sing! If I ever tell you about Maxine, you wanna say I don't know. Everybody sing! You're Sadiq! Murder she wrote. I dance so pretty that you carry out.
I sit up that woman and they're waiting for me. She's wanting to stay home and fulfill a fantasy. But I heard about that place and with no time to wait. You know me left on the nookie hunting from your looking at me face. All of the girls them left on the scene. Anyway the girls them say you know me have the routine. With a time of kitchen and tea on the scene. Walking street.
I lived in England for 21 years, but I was born in Zimbabwe.